असतो मा सद्गमय तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्योर्मा अमृतं गमय.
Hello everyone, this is Mahinder. Today we are going to solve exercise 9.1, problem number 9. Look at the question. A company manufactures car batteries of a particular type. The life of 40 batteries were recorded as follows. So given life of 40 batteries here. So construct a grouped frequency distribution table with exclusive classes for this data using class intervals of size 0.5 starting from the interval 2 to 2.5. Right. This is a given data. We have to make a frequency distribution table for this. So first of all, take down here life of the batteries in years. Nothing but this is a class interval. Okay, class intervals here, and here it is time marks. And next, number of batteries. Remember here it is frequency. Okay. So what is the first class interval given in the question? That is 2 to 2.5 years. So 2 to 2.5 years, and next class interval 2.5 to 3.0, nothing but 3. So next 3.0 to 3.5, because our class size given already 0.5. Okay, right. 3.5 to 4.0 and 4.0 to 4.5 and 4.5 to 5.0. Okay, so these are the class intervals of class size 0.5. What is the class size? 0.5. Difference between 2.5 and 2 is 0.5. Okay, right. So these are inclusive classes because the upper limit and the succeeding class lower limit both are same. These two are same, then we can call exclusive classes. Okay, these two are same, the class intervals are called exclusive classes. Okay, right. Now we search for between 2 to 2.5 years. How many batteries do they? Right, 2 to 2.5. So in the first row 1, here it is 2, next 1, 2.5 comes from the second class interval, 2, only 2. Repeat once again. So 2.6, 2.3, 2.2, 2.2, 4.5. So only 2 are there. Right. Here it is 2 lines, and write down here 2. Okay. Then next 2.5 to 3.0. So between 2.5 to 3.0. So here it is 1, 2.5 to 3.0, 1, and here it is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's check it once again. 2.61, 5, 6. Okay. Now we take here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Write down 6 here. Next 3.0 to 3.5 years. How many batteries are there? 3.0 to 3.5. So 3.0 comes here 1 and 2. This 3.5 is class interval 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 14. Yes, 14 are there. So we check once again. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Here it is 14. We have 14 on. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So write down here 14 numbers. Next 3.5 to 4.0. 3.5 to 4.0. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, and 9, 10, 11. Check once again between 3.5 to 4.0. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So write down 11 here. Next 4.0 to 4.5. 4.0 to 4.5. So here it is 1. First row 1. There is second row, there is no anything. And third row, here is 2, 3, fourth row, nothing is present. Fifth row, here is 4. So how many? 1, 2, 3, 4. Only 4 are there. So between 4.0 to 4.5, only 4 there. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and write down here 4. And last one 4.5 to 5.0. So between 4.5 years to 5.0. So in the first row, 1 is there here. So 1, second row, 2, and third row there is no, and fourth row nothing is there. Fifth row, there it is. So how many total? 1, second, third row. We shall count from first onwards. So 1, 2, nothing is there. 3, only 3 are there. So 1, 2, 3. So we shall verify here by counting the frequency, sum of frequencies. So actually how many batteries we are having? 40 batteries. Let's count here. So 8, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So 0, and 2 carry 2, 3, 4. Okay, we got 40. So our calculation is correct. Okay, right. So these are the frequencies. Okay, right. This is the frequency distribution table for this data. Okay, I think you have got the idea how to write the frequencies and how to write the tally marks, how we are counting the years. Okay, right.